Hey guys, what's up? Today's video is on my lovebirds. I haven't done a video on them for a while. They don't really do anything that much. They just like stand on that swing right there. I'm not sure why. Once in a while they'll play with their toys or like chirp really loud. But like they don't really do anything. I'm not sure why. Yeah. So all they do is just swing on their swing. Just like stay there. Or they'll just be over here on the side. Yeah. On my channel, I need some ideas for what videos I should make, cause like, I have no clue what videos I'm gonna do or whatever. And I'm gonna start another channel up soon, I'm not sure when, but like, trying to figure out what I should do on there. Like, I could send a link in the comments and description or whatever. So I'll try doing that in a little bit or something. So they don't really do it that much, and I need some. Oh my god, I can't speak. I need some ideas what videos I could do. Like, one of you guys said I should do a room tour, but like, that's kind of off topic of my birds, this channel. So like, I'm probably not gonna do that. Maybe on my other channel, if I get like a bunch of like subscribers, then maybe I'll do that. But like, I just need ideas what I should do on this channel. Or like, I don't know, anything I guess, but like, not off topic.